Hi and welcome back to the channel. Miles here for PJM Collectibles, and today we're going to unbox and take a closer look at this Toyota Land Cruiser 300 Series GR Sport by Hobby Japan. Okay, to start it off, we are proud to announce that this is the last Land Cruiser series that was released, and this is the final model on our lineup. Okay, this is the LC300. Okay, and this is from Hobby Japan. Okay, and mind you, this is the GR Sport variant. Okay, take a closer look at it later. Okay, but first off, since this is a Hobby Japan, okay, model comes inside an acrylic case, a plastic base, okay, the windowed box sleeve, okay. More on the packaging. At the back, it says the 1/64 scale, the Toyota Land Cruiser, the JA300W or the 300 series GR Sport. This is a precious white pearl color. And this comes with the red interiors. Okay, it says Toyota official licensed product, and more stuff here on the bottom. Okay, as I slowly remove the packaging, okay, let me talk about some things about this particular car. Okay, this is the latest model from Toyota, okay, from their Land Cruiser lineup. Okay, this is the 300 series. Okay, this was released year 2021. Okay, and this, the predecessor, okay, before this was the 200 series. Okay, we featured it a couple of weeks ago, okay, on our channel. Okay, and well, this is the 200 series. Okay, this one is from JKM. Okay, if you wanna check it out, okay, I'm gonna leave a link on the description. Okay, so for that, okay, let me continue. The 300 series was released in 2021, and this is the first Land Cruiser that came with the GR Sport variant. Okay, the GR variant. Okay, GR is like Gazoo Racing. Okay, well, this is the GR Sport. Okay, more of that later. Anyway, unfortunately, this Land Cruiser series, okay, was not released in United States or in Canada. Well, because of the 200 series, very slow sales. Okay, too bad for our brothers and sisters in North America. Well, they don't get to see this model. Okay, anyway, back to the model. This is the pearl white model from Hobby Japan. It sits on a plastic base secured by screw. Okay, and nothing much to say here on the base. It says Land Cruiser 70th. Okay, well, okay, we're going to remove this on the plastic base. Okay, well, I'll do this. I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Okay, and inviting you to come check out some of our other videos. Okay, and also my Instagram, Facebook page. Okay, so here you go. Here's the model. Okay, very good, very nice. Kinda has some weight to it. Okay, well, this is the LC300. Okay, from Hobby Japan. Okay, speaking of Hobby Japan, okay, first of all, we have to do this. we have another model from Hobby Japan. Okay, this is the 70 series. Okay, the what you call this, the Mickey Mouse. Okay, it says we call this Mickey Mouse variant because of the corner lamps here. Kind of resembles Mickey Mouse ears. Okay, very good details on this. Okay, we did an unboxing video of this one. You might want to check it out also. A link will also be provided in the description below. Okay, so we'll do this first for comparison, size comparison. Okay, nice. And this is the LC300 versus the 70 series. Okay, if you can see, okay, the LC300 is bigger. Okay, in real life, well, it is really bigger than the 70 series. Okay, wheelbase. Okay, kinda the same. Okay, on the height. Okay, also kinda the same, but the width is big, certainly bigger. Okay, well, enough of the comparison. Or okay, we're gonna put back the LC200. Okay, this one is kind of out of scale. Okay, as compared to this. Okay, both of this from the box it says 1/64 scale, but the LC200 is kind of big. Okay, nonetheless, really good. Okay, these are their last two models to complete the collection for our lineup. Okay, for the Land Cruiser lineup. Okay, in our garage. Okay, start off with 40 series and all the way to the 300 series. Okay, we might do a separate video where we're going to showcase all our Land Cruiser models in our garage. Okay, so we're going to talk about the model itself. Okay, started off with the wheels. Okay, the wheel design is very good. Okay, wheels are colored black. Okay, very good wheel design. For me personally, I don't kind of like it, but still very good wheel design. Okay, has rubber threaded tires. Okay, that's a Toyota logo for the caps, middle caps. Okay, I know it's clear. Okay, all four wheels. Okay, very good design. Okay, from Hobby Japan, but unfortunately it doesn't roll very smoothly. Well, it rolls, but not that smooth. Okay, front wheels. Okay, maybe there's something wrong with the axles, but okay, no problem with that, not a deal breaker. Okay, moving on to the sides. Okay, very good details on this one. Okay, started off once again with the panel lines. Very good panel lines here. Kind of deep for me, but really good. Okay, really defines the doors, the gas tank, fuel cover. Okay, there, and windows are clear. Okay, very well see the interiors. Okay, we're gonna talk about that later. Okay, color separation here is also really good. Okay, on the windows there's a black trimmings here. Okay, goes all the way to the back. Okay, door handles are colored black. Okay, painted black. Okay, side steps or running boards or rock sliders. Okay, it's incorporated the base. Okay, we'll talk about that later. And it has mud guards, plastic mud guards, also incorporated with the base. Okay, moving on to the front. As I said, this is the GR variant. Okay, the Gazoo Racing or GR Sport variant of the LC300. Okay, the difference between the GR Sport and the ordinary 300 series is the GR Sport, okay, comes with blacked out front grills. Okay, here's a picture of the ordinary 300 series, okay, as compared to this one. Okay, this one's colored black. Very good details, if you can see. Very good details on the grill. There's the Toyota logo. Okay, very big Toyota markings there. Very good details on this model. And if you could clearly see the GR emblem, okay, there. Okay, there's a GR Sport emblem. Okay, headlights are clear plastic inserts. Okay, has some very minute details on it. I don't know if it's clear, but it's very good. Okay, obviously it says GR Sport on the license plate. Okay, it has this front incorporated in the bumper, front shin. I don't know it's really what that one is called. Okay, very good details on that. Okay, and also incorporated in the bumper design are the fog lamps. Okay, from both sides. Okay, very good details on that one. Okay, moving on to the hood. Nothing much, but very good. Very good design. The casting itself, okay, very defined hood. Okay, I don't know if it's my lighting, but I don't know if it's clear. But the paint itself is a pearl metallic. Okay, pearl white. Okay, very good paint here. Okay, very much different from the white one. I don't know if it's clear. Okay, here's the white one of the JKM LC200, and this is the Hobby Japan. Okay, it's a different shade of white. Okay, I like this one, the pearl one. Okay, okay, moving on. The windshield is clear. Okay, it has some details on the front windshield, and it's clear. Yeah, that one. Okay, I think this kind of resembles it's like a front dash cam or front camera. Okay, maybe in real life. Anyway, clear windows, has some details, there's a wiper. Okay, you can clearly see the interiors once again. Okay, it has a sunroof or a moonroof. Okay, kind of tinted black. Okay, very nice one. Okay, has some roof rails. Okay, made out of plastic. Okay, roof rails are plastic on both sides. Okay, I think it was just placed there with some glue or some adhesive. Okay, very well placed. Okay, details on the roof till the shark's fin antenna, the back. Okay, on the rear part. Okay, since this is a GR Sport, okay, this one comes with a rear spoiler, the roof rear spoiler. Okay, not much defined. Okay, but just like the real one. Okay, not unlike other models wherein you have roof spoilers. Okay, kind of like sticking out, but this one is really subtle and very good. Okay, rear windows. Oh, has some good details on it. The plastic has good details. It has rear defoggers on it. Okay, and the rear wiper, very nice. And third brake lamp. Okay, also incorporated the rear glass window. Okay, tail lights are colored red. Okay, still plastic inserts. Very good details on that. The Toyota logo. Okay, a Land Cruiser marking, and just like on front, there's the GR Sport license plate. Okay, and also the GR Sport emblem right there. Okay, and they're on the rear hatch. Okay, there are some details here. Okay, it's colored painted black here. Okay, and the rear bumper. That one is very good details on it. Okay, has some red reflectors also incorporated on the bumper on both sides. And since we're taking a look at it, okay, this one has a muffler. Okay, a detailed one. Okay, moving on. the bottom. Okay, the chassis. The chassis is made out of plastic. Okay, as I mentioned, the rock sliders or the stepboards, okay, are incorporated the base. Okay, good details on it. Okay, base is secured with 2 screws. Okay. Okay, cannot see the second one because there's the spare tire. Okay, spare tire has also rubber threaded tires on it. Okay, very good details. Okay, at the rear differential. Okay, it's a transfer case and everything else that you could see on real cars. Okay, very good. Okay, since I've mentioned the interiors, okay, as also mentioned in the box, this comes with red interiors. Okay, I know it's clear, but okay, this one has red interiors. Okay, the seats are colored red. Okay, the front dashboard is detailed. Okay, by the way, this one is a right-hand drive model. Okay, there. I don't know if it's clear. Okay, let me try to do the lighting. Okay, there. Very good details on the steering wheel, on the dashboard. Okay, and also on the center console. Okay, I don't know, it's clear enough. You could very well clearly see. Okay, anyway, I just noticed, okay, only the front mirrors are clear. Okay, the rear windows for the rear doors and the hatch, okay, are blacked out. Okay, some tint on it. Okay, just like the real ones. Okay. Oh, I forgot to mention about the side mirrors. Okay, side mirrors are plastic. Okay, was placed on the door. Okay, and okay, has some details on it. Okay, colored black with details on it. Comes with that one. Okay, it has a reflective stickers on both sides. Okay, I know it's clear. And also here on the side, a very minute GR Sport logo there. Okay, so this is very good. Okay, kinda like it. Very good model. Once again, Hobby Japan. Don't fail to surprise us. Okay. Very good model. Okay, so once again, we're gonna leave this on the turntable for everyone to see. And thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Well, we certainly do. Okay, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Okay, bye. Thank you.